welcome to this screencast which will show you how to record a macro and more importantly how to assign a shortcut key to execute that macro. This is an example spreadsheet which just shows you the A-level grade for a particular unit based on a series of marks for all of the tasks. Now what we want the user to be able to do is type in their marks for each of the tasks so that it ultimately calculates the final grade. When you start a new project, however, what you want to see is that mark column cleared out, ready for you to type in your marks as you complete the tasks. And that's what our macro is going to record. We're going to select cell C5 to C9, delete the contents of those cells, and then leave the user back in cell C5 ready so that they can start typing in the marks for their first task. Now, what we're going to be doing is recording the macro. To do that then, to start recording the macro, you go to the View tab, and then we're going to use the button to the far right hand corner there, and more importantly clicking on the down arrow that you can see on the screen highlighted by the arrow. If you click on that, we can then select record macro, and we're then ready to start typing in the different options that you've probably seen already. Let's zoom into that area. The first option we're going to type in is the macro name. Give it a bit more sensible. We're going to give a description. And, zooming in again, we're going to set the most important option. You'll notice I've put a note on the spreadsheet that we want to click on on the buttons Control and Shift and C to clear off the marks. And we're going to do that by using this option here. You need to click in the little box, and then that will then allow us to set the shortcut key. So I'll click in it. If I hold down Shift, Control and C, just Shift and C, then it allows us to select whichever shortcut key we want to use. So we then are ready to record the macro, so we click OK, and notice the button here change from the ready to record button to the recording button. Let's do that now. So we're going to select the area that we want to delete off, press the delete key, go back to the beginning of it, and then we're ready to stop recording. That's our macro recorded. Let's test it out now. So first of all we need to enter some numbers in there. Doesn't matter what numbers they are. We should be ready to then clear it off, ready for the next project. We do Control, Shift and C, and there it's deleted off. Macro's already, spreadsheet's done.